Hello and welcome to another cooking video. Another AI-based cooking video. What do I mean with that? Well, we had no idea what to cook, so we asked AI, give us a random recipe from a random country in this world and we're going to cook it. And today we're going to cook, what's the name of this? Sopa Paraguaya, which is no soup, no, it's bread. Cornbread with onions and bell peppers and stuff. And you're going to need dos egos, yellow corn flour, sugar, milk, cheese, more cheese, butter, baking powder, onions, bell peppers. Off to cooking. First, cut your onions, hype them up to turn into bread. Why the hell do we put onions into our bread? Cut the onion, put it into bread. Cut the onion and put it into bread. Be sure to cut your onions into relatively big pieces, just like this. Mound onion. You're going to need about 115 grams of onions for this onion cornbread with cheese and stuff. Next, you cut your bell pepper. It's already been cut, so I missed an important step. Shame on me. Put it into the bowl where your onion's already waiting for it to meet the red bell pepper. Now, get a pan and put some oil into the pan. Corn flour, pan. Pan. Now that you have your pan, you insert your onions and bell pepper. Insert. How about some information about Paraguay, huh? Paraguay is a country in Latin America. Never been there. So, watch the hell out of my videos so I get enough YouTube money to go there. Yes. When your onion bell pepper mix is finished, you let it cool down. While you're waiting for your onion bell pepper mix to cool down, you insert some yellow cornmeal into a bowl. You're going to need about 250 grams of this stuff for your bread. This is quite close to it. Also, put some milk into the bowl and make a yellow corn volcano. You're going to need about 225 milliliters of milk. Mix it and look at this. Just like real people from Paraguay. Look at those breadcrumbs. Now, you add your 2 eggs into the yellow corn crumb thing. That's one. Where's the second one? There it goes. Flip. Because nothing tastes good when it's not sweet, add some sugar. You're going to need about 25 grams of sugar. Since we're making a weird kind of bread, also add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now, insert cream cheese. Cream cheese, creamy cheese. Yeah, I know, that's supposed to be cheese. You're going to need 115 grams of cream cheese. Okay, I should have called this cottage cheese. So, cottage cheese. Now, you mix your sugar, cottage cheese, egg, baking powder, yellow crumb mixture with a bit of black pepper. Burp, there it goes. Goes along very well with sugar, as you know. And you also insert some salt. Just a teaspoon or so. Should be sufficient. And now you mix it. Come on, you can do better. Watch this. My cat is mixing stuff better than you are. Get in there. That's how you mix stuff, see? During your mixing progress, you also insert your cooled down onions and bell peppers. And you mix it. Now, you insert 113 grams of cheese of your choice cheese. Mix the cheese with your choice. Now rub butter onto your thing where you're going to put the dough into. And then insert the dough. There goes your dough. Tasty. Use your car crash accident, put it into the form, and then make it fit until it fits. Now, put your dough into a preheated oven. 180 degrees should be sufficient. And then off it goes. Goodbye. Now 45 minutes have passed and our bread seems to be finished. Do the stick check, please. You stick a stick into your bread, and if the stick turns out to be clean, your bread is finished. There is your Sopa Paraguaya. Goes really well with piracaldo. Cut the bread. And there is your Sopa Paraguaya. Enjoy.